I make this dish a lot, so you may have heard about it from me before. I just really like it a lot. My dad would have said it's a crowd pleaser, but crispy bacon brown butter. I mean, how does that sound? I mean, how delicious does that sound? Crispy bacon brown butter. Top the sliced beef tri-tip with that, and then the little finish of some balsamic drizzle, which all you do is reduce balsamic vinegar down till it becomes like a syrup. It's sweet, it's tangy, it's really good.